Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super cute flat twist, two-strand twist, lock style. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Spirit. Okay, it's winter time, it's cold, but I just washed my hair. So we're gonna try to do a really cute style. I saw my girl Fashion Crave on TikTok and IG do a flat twist situation in the front into some two-strand twists in the back, and I'm like, perfect vacation hair, perfect, just don't want to do my hair for a week, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed right now, and I let it dry for like 2 hours in the towel, so I am gonna go ahead and moisturize it. But I'm gonna be using my hairspray again. This is the same moisturizer as always. It's gonna be on pre-order. And this is what I've been using the whole time I've had locks, to keep my hair hydrated, healthy, thick, long, strong, all of that. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I will be retwisting the back of my head with the mousse from Pattern Beauty, aka a soft retwist. I don't need anything with a lot of holds. It's just going to two-strand twist in the back. And I'll be using Ancient Blends lock gel for the front part because it's like a really natural product and I really like it on my hair. And I want the front to look a lot more like tight and pulled together. So let's get into it. Okay, so when she did the flat twist, it looked like she was like 3 locks deep in the back. So like, we need to pull the locks forward and separate them. So I'm thinking that we will, like, you know, 1, 2, 3. Girl, this is given a real specific process and I do not know how it worked. So bear with me. Okay, but basically I'm thinking the first 3 rows should be sectioned off. So 1, 2, so maybe 1 more. 3. That'll be twist number 1. And as y'all can see, I do need a retwist. 1, 2. Oh God, I don't know how this is supposed to go, but we gonna try it. 1, 2, 3. Then we have 1 going back this way. So basically I'm trying to like figure out which locks are gonna be in each twist. We also gonna need some rubber bands. So now we have this portion. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, back. I feel like this one could use a 4th, so I'm just gonna give it 4. Y'all, if this don't come out cute, I'm gonna be upset. And you can see it's looking like, damn baby, retwist your hair. I'm about to. Okay, this is another one. 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay. IDK, some of these seem like they might need to be 4 deep. So I'm gonna just start wrapping a 4th in there with it. So it's like back enough. And then I have 2 more left. 2 more rows of locks. 1, 2, 3, like this. I am gonna grab some rubber bands for the two-strand twist in the back. Okay, so now we have all the flat twist sections. So it looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll have 8 flat twists across the front / top of my head. Girl, I'm already confused, girl. So I'm gonna try to move these out of my face now. And now I'm just going to retwist the back and put it in 2-strand twist. So now that I've like moisturized, I want to add a little bit of this Ancient Blends oil. And we're just going to rub that in and start pulling out the locks. I might add that to the top portion. Start pulling out the locks that are going to get retwisted with the Pattern Beauty. Okay. I'm just gonna go through and 2-strand twist my entire head. It's 10 p.m. I should have started this earlier. But instead, me and my roommate, we started watching this Netflix. Is it on Netflix? I don't know. We started watching this documentary of people who survived a volcano, and baby, too. That shit is scary. Okay. So as you can see, this is gonna take a lot longer because this is the length of my hair now, which is pretty cool, but it's just gonna take me a long time to get these twists done. Just remember, whatever direction you palm roll or retwist your hair in, you want to 2-strand twist it in the opposite direction. I was gonna put curls at the bottom, but I feel like the twist will last longer, and then when I'm tired of the twist, I can take them out and have waves in my hair. Okay, mates, so I'm gonna go and do this to the back of my head, and I'll be back in a bit. Bye. Okay, so the back of the head is done. Simple, easy flat twist. I'm watching White Lotus right now, so hold on. Yeah, back of the head is done. The flat twists look cute. Now we need to figure out, the 2-strand twists are cute. Now we need to figure out this flat twist situation. So you guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try it, you know? That's all I got, so let's see if we can make something cute. Now for this part, I'm going to use this thicker gel on my hair. Let's get it moisturized. Put a little bit of oil, and it's like I haven't done a flat twist in like so long, but I've been wanting like a straight back look, like even like how cornrows make me feel and things like that. So first thing I'm gonna do is put some of this like edge control-ish product, this thicker gel, and just retwist each of the locks. And maybe I didn't leave enough out. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So when I flat twisted before, you know, it's like you need to be grabbing hair the whole time. So, and it's like I have 3. So it's like, is this a braid? I just wanted to go straight back. Yo, I feel like I should have more hair. What is keeping this from falling straight down? Damn it. I didn't know what I was doing. And now it shows. I'm just gonna pull in some of the twists that already got twisted. If I'm not feeling satisfied, I want the cornrow look. So I should have left some more hair out, apparently, so that I could go back into something. Like maybe I should have left these two out. So I'm gonna take them out. Screw it, let's do it. I want the style to come out right. Let's do it. Let's just go balls to the wall, going for the full look the way I want it to be. So that means that as I'm going through the flat twist, I might find some that I need to take out, which is fine. I just want to try to see if I can make it work. It is midnight. How do you flat twist again? I don't remember anything. To my credit, it has been at least 6 years since I've flat twisted anything. Okay, now I think I'm remembering. Okay. I'm just twisting and picking up the rest of these locks. Now that I've gotten here, I did want it to look more defined like this so you can still see the locks. So now this is why sometimes I don't do tutorials my first time doing a style, because it's like, how the hell do I know what I'm doing? I don't. And now in the back part, I'm just going to split what's left in that rubber band into two and two-strand twist it down. So maybe I should have left 6 for each twist portion, but I didn't. I just hope it looks like what I want it to look like. Or at least I hope it looks cute, no matter what it looks like. Okay. So I'm starting to figure it out. And I'm just gonna show you guys, like, I had to do at least a couple on my own. But what I'm doing is remembering that when I flat twist, I always like curve the hair down, and so I have had to undo some of the twists that were already done, just so that I had some hair to grab so that it could lay flatter to my head. Now that I've given myself hair to grab, it comes out like that. And then I'm just twisting it. I think I accidentally grabbed one of the two-strand twists in this one, but it's like fine. Okay, so now you can see I'm getting more of that flat notion, that flat look. And really that's all I wanted was the flat look. So yeah, I did put one of the two-strand twists in there. Me don't care. I am so tired. I just want to be done with this at this point. I do want to see what it look like with a little edge control. Like, let me make sure it's going to be giving what I wanted it to give. You feel me? That's what I'm talking about, sister. I better have this something cute. Okay, so I'm gonna twist it and I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I do the next one. And then y'all just gonna see the final product after that, baby. Okay? Okay, on to the next one. Girl, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I just wanna be right. And I just wanna be done. Okay. This was like the opposite way. So I'm just gonna be rolling it like a twist and just saying whatever locks get in, get in. Okay, so I started doing these down here and they look clean, so I had to redo this one. But as I reached my last leg, I realized I don't even care. We're just gonna get in here and start twisting, okay? I don't care which way they go. It just needs to look clean with the parts, and that's what I've been doing. I have found that it's beneficial to even grab some of the hair that's already been retwisted, because that gives it like an anchor to stay straight back on the head. And just like that. And I have to redo this one and then I'm done. So I'm gonna twist up the loose locks in this ponytail right here at the end of this twist, and I will just show you guys in the morning how it turned out. I know this is a horrible tutorial, but it's because I didn't know what I was doing. So I'm tired. Don't start your hair at 10. Don't start your hair at 10 p.m. It's tiring. Bye. Girl, I'm a day late, dollar short. I keep forgetting to record the last part to show you how the hair turned out, but it's super cute.